na? Sige lang, Anton Mahuman para...
Drink the juice and then dribble out down the shirt.
Oh well. It only been green.
It'll smell like a balut. Somebody will find that attractive. Doing the balut boogie.
16, right?
18.
18?
Mm.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta drink the
I
juice
don't
first.
need 18. I only need 16. Not this, but it's okay.
You can do it. You can do it. Go, 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 go.
Do it, do it. Can do it.
Here.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh, she's cheating.
Delicious, delicious.
Come on, you can do it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Big chick.
Show us how good you
Okay, I'm
are.
done.
Okay na? Ito ulit yung piso.
You gotta drink the juice first and then eat the bird. That almost sounds sexual.
Okay.
You gotta drink the juice first and then eat the bird.
Okay na?
For me.
Yeah.
Sige ma'am, ilunok ma'am para makakuha sa video ka na.
Yeah, girl, you get it.
Oh!
Oh, come on.
Oh, di ba?
Come on, now comes the fun part.
Yeah, the fun part's getting the beer.
Ready?
Ano pa?
1, 2, 3.
Sige. Okay.
Hi guys, stay.
There.
Come on.